Imagine a home where modern design meets environmental harmony, a place where every corner tells a story of innovation and sustainability. Welcome to Dan and Nina's extraordinary residence, a testament to eco-friendly living and architectural brilliance. Nestled in a tranquil corner of West Sussex, England, Dan and Nina's home, affectionately named The Watershed, draws inspiration from their travels and love for nature. Seeking a retreat reminiscent of California's serene beaches, they found the perfect spot to blend relaxation with sustainability. The design of The Watershed is a masterclass in architectural innovation. A floating glass link connects distinct sections of the home, creating a seamless flow between spaces. Inside, a triple-height atrium with a floating balcony offers panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, bringing the outdoors in. At the core of this eco-paradise lies the natural swimming pond, a chemical-free oasis that mirrors the beauty of a forest spa. Divided into swimming and regeneration zones, the pond utilizes gravel and clay to filter water naturally, ensuring clarity and promoting biodiversity. Powered by a solar pump, it exemplifies the home's commitment to renewable. Every element of The Watershed reflects a dedication to sustainability. Constructed with structural insulated panels clad in Siberian larch and flint, the home boasts exceptional energy efficiency. Renewable energy sources, including ground source heat pumps and photovoltaic panels, power the residence, aiming for a net zero carbon footprint. Designed with family in mind, the home incorporates safety measures around the pond, ensuring peace of mind for Dan and Nina's children, Isla and Lexi. The interiors blend functionality with aesthetic appeal, featuring bespoke furniture made from recycled materials and playful touches that add character to the space. Dan and Nina's Watershed stands as a beacon of sustainable living, proving that luxury and environmental responsibility can coexist beautifully. It's a place where every detail is thoughtfully crafted and every choice supports a greener future. Thank you for joining us on this tour of innovation and inspiration. If this journey into sustainable living has sparked your imagination, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that inspire change and celebrate the beauty of eco-friendly design. Discover more about sustainable living and architectural innovations by visiting our website and following us on social media. Together, let's build a future that's both beautiful and sustainable.